What's going on, YouTube? This is Popo Ross here. This is the next bike I test rode on the demo day. It is a 2025 Yamaha Tracer 9. This is a fun bike to ride. This is the first time I ever rode a triple engine, 3 cylinders, the CP3 engine. So this is a 890cc displacement engine, and the bike weighs 483 pounds, and the seat height is about 33.3 or 33.9, and the wheelbase is 59.1 inches. So I got this information off the Yamaha's website when I'm recording this right now. Like I said before on the my MT10 where I did the voiceover, Yamaha does not allow action cameras or GoPros or any type like that on the demo ride. So I took pictures, and I just gonna talk to you about, briefly, what I experienced riding these motorcycles. So this is a fun bike to ride. It got cruise control. I tried it out while I was on the motorcycle. It's a little heavier than the MT10, but it's not as fast, but it's still fun to ride. You sit upright. They got a lot of accessories for this bike. Yeah, they got a lot of accessories for this bike. Yeah, I'll go upload some pictures and stuff. You can see the pictures when I upload this. It's a fun ride. It didn't feel heavy while I was riding it or anything. Um, what else about this bike? Windshield. While I was riding it, I could feel my helmet moving a lot with the windshield up front. I adjusted it, but I still felt that shaky. So I told the drivers. He said, "Well, you just had to upgrade the windshield on it, so you won't feel that." So this could be a potential next bike I get in the future, but don't know yet. Like I said, I want to do more demo days before I choose my next bike. But other than that, it was a fun bike to ride. It didn't feel like it's too much for me to ride. I think anybody, been riding for a long time, looking for like a touring bike, this will be a great option for them. And Yamaha got plenty of dealerships around the United States or anywhere around the world. Just check it out. Just go on the website or on social media, see where they have demo day. Try this bike out. You won't be disappointed.